Yes, I work with the low energy particle physics group at ETH on the development of a test for a crystal calorimeter, and I like the experience very much. I thought it was very interesting, and I got the chance to learn several different things and work in a subfield that I hadn't really experienced before.
I've enjoyed these 2 last months at the University of Zurich. I was working on a research project for the dark matter field, and I had the great opportunity to work in a real research group. I work mainly on hardware, and the best thing about it was probably having the possibility to work and to develop practical skills. We did lots of hands-on and lab work, and I really enjoyed it. And also the city of Zurich was one of the livable cities I've ever been to, and so yeah, it was really amazing to meet such lot of experts of particle physics and learning a lot from them, learning how they approach the issues that often you encounter in research, and looking and learning from them how they approach this new solution to the issues of dark matter was really unbelievable. This was one of the best outcomes of this experience.
I was at EPFL working with LHCb data. I worked more or less the whole way through an LHCb analysis pipeline, which was really cool. We're not done yet, there's some statistics left to do, but that's the boring part. The people at EPFL in the lab were really lovely. They made me feel really welcome. We went on some fun adventures. We went rafting down the Arc, with my pronunciation, and we went hiking up to a chalet, had some nice fondue. It was a great experience all around. It was a very lovely time.
I worked on developing a DNN-based ID for scouting electrons. So what this means is at the LHC, when particles would collide and the CMS detector would record the particle information, we use scouting data, which is abnormal data. It saves only higher level information, so we have less to work with. I want to see if we can use existing algorithms to develop a method that would differentiate between real electrons and fake electrons from this data. I really enjoyed my time at CERN and in Geneva. It was great to see a different side to an experiment that I was tangentially related to before, and the people that I worked with were amazing. I got to meet so many great people who really inspired me. Both my supervisor and the PI were very inspirational with how they were able to understand so much about the project.
I worked on the FCC probe station thing in the University of Bern. In the program, I did a lot of stuff on the hardware side and some on the software side. And there are people in here is very nice, and they allow me to do different things. Like they tell me I can join the muon detector stuff, so I can learn. I can do some stuff there, and they invite me to also visit CERN and to see more on the detector side and more in the real stuff. And also the people here are really giving me a lot of opportunity. They are very kind. They are giving you time. They give you work, but they are not pushing you. They allow you to try stuff. They are not giving you too much pressure, and I like it here. And for Bern, I like the city because the city itself is beautiful, and compared to where I'm from, because I'm from Hong Kong, and in the summer in Hong Kong it's very hot, and here the weather is perfect for me. And so I like it here.
Yes, I was working in Laura's Badis group, which is an experimental particle astrophysics group, in COMSOL electric simulations for Zurich 3. So I really like the experience, also working with such a good group inside the university and being able to know more about Zurich and also Switzerland in general.
it was really nice to do something with Collider Future Physics, like Future Collider Physics, and especially the UZH is very international. The city is very live, connected everywhere. You can do hikes and with the friends, and also with our neighbors at ETH. So it was really an eye-opening experience here at the university. And also the other summer students programs so we always do some different things. We do some kind of cutting edge research related to our work that will also, because we may be the next leading other researchers at the same field. Yeah.
The goal of my project was to examine the implementation of machine learning algorithms for the online event selection of the meteor experiment. So basically how we can use complex algorithms in real time, so making decisions on whether or not to keep an event in microseconds. The project was very interesting to me because it offered me the opportunity to get a real insight into how researchers work on a daily basis. I was allowed to work very creatively and independently on my project. I was further able to travel to the PSI Research Institute to do an experiment at their accelerator, and I could also join an international conference here at ETH Zurich on machine learning. And all of this was not only academically a very enriching experience, but it was also just a very fun way to spend my summer, and I very much enjoyed my time at ETH and here in Zurich in general.
I worked on the LHCb experiment and I studied rare decay of the DC plus meson, and I really enjoyed it. It was the first time where I had really the opportunity to do a project where I could choose what I want to study, how I studied it. And being at CERN was really nice. I had the opportunity to go at a lot of colloquium and learn a lot more than just the project. So it was really a great opportunity for learning a lot of particle physics.
Yeah, it was a really nice experience because I managed to focus on low energy experiment, which is a reality which was new for me. And life in Zurich was really nice, especially the countryside. I really enjoyed the summer in Switzerland, even it's a bit rainy compared to the Italian summer. But this is also a positive side note. I managed to meet very nice people, and surely we'll still keep in touch.